the ultimate 11th and 12th grade roadmap for studying abroad. Are you dreaming of studying abroad? Well, the best time to start your journey is 11th standard. And trust me, this can either make or break your chances. But where do you begin? How do you balance your SAT prep, extracurriculars, applications while staying on top of your grades? At CLBS, we've guided so many students to top universities like Harvard, Stanford, NUS, Oxford, etc. And the students who start early have the upper hand always. So let's break down your step-by-step roadmap starting 11th standard. Start of 11th grade, laying the foundation. Welcome to 11th grade, the ideal time to start building your profile for studying abroad. Here's where your journey begins. First, research universities and majors. Start exploring universities that match your academic interests and career goals. For example, one of our students, Ria, she discovered her passion for environmental science during this phase and targeted schools like Stanford and UC Berkeley. Think about whether you want to study in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, and what subjects excite you. Next, build your profile. Please do focus on one or two impactful extracurriculars like research projects, community initiatives, or leadership roles. We've talked about it a lot in our previous videos, please do check those out. At CLBS, we've had a student, Aryan, who launched a mental health awareness program, and guess what? It became a key factor in his acceptance to Yale. Next, start SAT preparation. The earlier you begin, the higher chances of a greater score. We recommend dedicating 4 to 6 hours per week to SAT preparation. Well, I've included a lot of videos on my YouTube channel on how to prepare for SAT and even a 1-month dedicated SAT crash course. So please do check it out. Unfortunately, I've seen so many students start their SAT preparation in 12th standard and they feel rushed. So please don't wait. AP exams. Consider enrolling in AP courses relevant to your chosen field. These not only strengthen your application but also earn you college credits. Pro tip: don't spread too thin. Focus on quality over quantity in everything you do. By mid-11th grade, it's time to ramp up your efforts. SAT intensive prep. Take full and practice tests, review weak areas, and build test-taking strategies. Here I'm going to suggest taking your first SAT attempt by May or June. At CLBS, we had a student, Neha, who improved her score from 1260 to 1510 by taking 2 attempts just by refining her strategy. Next, refine your extracurriculars. Leadership position look great on application. If you love writing, start a blog. If you're into STEM, launch a coding club. The goal, show impact. Focus on AP subjects. If you're taking AP courses, start preparing early. These can give you a competitive edge in your application. Now, as 11th grade ends, here's what you should have checked off. Take your first SAT. Well, this is going to give you a baseline score. If needed, you can retest in August or October of 12th grade. AP exam preparation. If you're taking AP exam, make sure you're well prepared. These scores can strengthen your application. Now we talk about university list. By now you should have top 10 list of universities based on factors like acceptance rate, SAT score requirement, and scholarship opportunities. At CLBS, our admission counselors always give a mix of dream, target, and safety schools. Now is the start of 12th grade and things get real. Please do finalize SAT scores. If you're not happy with your first SAT score, retake in August or October of 12th grade. Finalize university list and application material. Narrow down your list and check your application deadline. Start drafting your common app essays, personal statements, and supplemental essays. Ishan, one of our students, got into Columbia University because of an essay about his passion for AI and social good. Pro tip: at CLBS, we help students craft compelling essays that tell their unique stories. Well, one of our students, Arav, wrote about his journey of starting a coding club in his community, which helped him stand out to MIT. By mid-12th grade, your application should be in full swing. Submit applications. Most universities open their portal in August or September and have their deadlines between October and January. Apply early to increase your chances. Scholarship search. Many universities offer merit-based or need-based scholarship. Also, don't miss out on external scholarships like Coca-Cola Scholarship, Gates Scholarship, and DART for Germany. Stay on track academically. Keep your grades strong in 12th standard. Many universities will ask you your final semester results or updated transcript, so don't let seniorities hit too early. The end of 12th grade is here, and it's time to wrap everything up. Decision time. By now, you'll have received your acceptance letters. Once acceptance letters arrive, compare offers, scholarship, and campus culture to choose your best fit. Visa application. Once you've chosen your university, the student visa application process begins. Make sure to have all the required documents. Pre-departure plans. Book your accommodation, make travel arrangement, and attend pre-departure orientation offered by your university. If you found this video helpful, hit like and share it with a friend who's in 11th standard. And remember, your dream university is closer than you think. Let's make it happen.